Look at the icicle hanging off the light. That's going to kill someone, that. Imagine that dropping on your conch. How cold in this weather. There's no one around to help you. I feel like I've had a facelift. My skin's that tight. We're in Pennsylvania and it's 18 inches of snow. I think 18 or 20 inches, 22. Put it this way, if I stand on it, it'll be up to my thigh, and I'm not that short. I'll try and no, I'm not going to stand in it. Listen, there's a train, quick. I wasn't joking. I heard it. We're in the middle of nowhere. This is not a Starbucks or anything, right? This is it. This is where we'll wait for 45 minutes in the cold. No, it's more. We got here because, by sheer chance, a lovely girl at the Hampton Inn in Exton decided to give her a lift because she was finishing her shift. If it wasn't for her doing that, we'd still be here for the next night because there's no cabs on at all. None of them will chance the roads. So that was nice, wasn't it? It was very nice. Is that our train?
That would be some shit. Well, what? New York City? Out front, that's the tracks.
How deep? Look at this. This isn't the highest way. Look over here, look. Will I go right through? Oh, yeah, I would. Ooh, shoot! Look at the height of that. It's horrible. You could easily kill someone and get away with it. Okay, hang on. It would melt in the boot.
Frozen straight solid.
Something horrible lurking. I'll get back over now. This is going to be fun. Ew. How long now? How long? What?
Half an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
5:45. The train gets here at 6:15.
It's just not fair.
It's alright.
I think I might have to cry. No, you're cheating. Not that little, man.
Look, it's a snowman.
It's cheating.
Just zoom in, it'll look big.
That's cheating, Frankie.
Zoom in, zoom in.
Go on. Look, it's Frankie's snowman. Wow.
He's like me.
You should be so proud of that.